In this video tutorial, we will see how to print right angle triangle pattern. We can see here in the first line there are 5 star space character. In the second line there are 4 star space character. In the third line 3 star space character. In the fourth line 2 star space character, and in the fifth line single star space character. We can see here the number of star space characters are decreasing from 5 to 1 line by line. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here. I less than number of line, which is 5, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. Let's write the logic to print this pattern. Star space character, we are going to reduce star space character line by line from 5. In the first iteration 5 minus I value is 0, which is going to print star space character 5 times. Then at the end of iteration I value is going to increase by 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So in the second iteration I value is 1, 5 minus 1, 4, then 3 and 2 and 1. At the end of fifth iteration I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition will fail and our while loop is going to stop the iteration. Let's run py triangle.py file. This is our expected triangle pattern. We can use for loop in place of while loop. We can use any other character in place of star. There are various other methods to execute this code. In the next video tutorial, we will see how to print square pattern.